Right, all of you. See, since 1 month only, I'm facing health issues. Okay. Okay, good. So we have done with the sale of asset with customer, and you have seen there is a loss that we have got, and scrapping of an asset using transaction code ABAVN. Okay. Now, what we need to do is, all of you, we can able to do the scrappings with the sub asset. Okay, can we take out the sub asset? Go to the SAP system, ma'am. Give one. So this is 30,000 rupees, right? Okay. Everything is good, and no need to create any assets, all of you. I think so. Previously, I have given you the videos. In that videos, I was discussing about the scrapping of an assets and all. Okay, and complete retirement of the scrappings and all. In that, so I mean, I was creating with new assets. Okay. Um, I mean, in SAP system, I was creating new assets and all, and we were calculated the depreciations things for that thing, and we used to, repeat the asset creations of the assets and all. So we used to do it, but the thing is that with the help of normal positions, that is, whatever the things that you have done for this state, okay, we can able to do the asset retirement processes. Okay, for this sub assets, we can able to do it. So can you go to the transaction code ABAVN? Go to the transaction code ABAVN. Go to the transaction code ABAVN. Okay, ma'am, can you take out this? Yes, spare parts assets. So I'm just completely retirement. I'm just doing the complete retirement. This is not the complete retirement. This is just about the scrapping process, and we no need to sell this assets to the any customers. Why? Because it's a scrap asset. There is no use for this asset. Okay, so that is the important thing right now we have. Suppose I will just give you the example, all of you. You have bought the washing machine, and washing machine you have used for the 6 years or 5 years. Now you want to exchange. If that material is very good, you can able to exchange with your vendor or its customer. If that particular washing machine is not at all good, how you can able to exchange it? That is not at all possible, right? So that is why we should scrap that thing, and that entry should be there for the SAP system. Okay, that entry should be there in the SAP system. So that is very, very important right now we have. Okay, so can you take out the document date now? What is the document date that we need to take? How much, for depreciation, for which month we have calculated the depreciation, ma'am? 5 month. Take out the new screen, ma'am. Take out the new screen. Go to the transaction code AW01N. Go to the transaction code AW01N. Okay, so for the fifth month, for the fifth period also we have calculated the depreciation. April, May, June, July. Okay, August also we have calculated it. September. For the September we can able to do it. Okay, so 5th and 6th. So on the 6th period we can able to scrap this asset. Okay, go to that screen now. Yes, 01.06. That is 09. Okay, 1.09.2023 on the date of 01.09.2023. So we are doing the asset retirement by scrapping. Okay. So give the posting date as 01.09.2023. Give the asset value date also. Text is scrapping. Or else asset retirement by scrapping. Okay, scrap of an asset. Same thing, 01.09.2023. So can you go to the additional details, ma'am? Can you give the posting period, ma'am? That is 06. No need to give any transaction types in all, ma'am. So go to the simulate option. Okay, what is the scrapping retirement that you are doing? Okay, we have posted the depreciation, right, all of you. So loss due to scrap is 29,746 rupees. Go to the save button and save it. Then come back to this AW01 and transaction code and again refresh it. Go to the save button and save it. Good. So this document has been posted. Okay. So go back to this AW01 and just refresh it now. Okay. So loss is 29,746 rupees for our asset. Okay. That is sub asset. Existing sub asset we have taken for the depreciation calculations and all. In the posted values, take out the posted values, ma'am. I mean, you will going to get the entry, loss entries. Okay. Good. Come back, ma'am. Asset accounting view also you can able to do it. Yes, that is the important thing. Loss due to scrap is very important, and at the same time, ordinary depreciation that will be added to the main assets, all of you. Okay, so those things are mandatory. Good. Everything is fine, right? Good. So we do have one asset under construction concept. Give me 1 second.